Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering up both devices and initiating pairing. Turn on the camera, enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and set it to remote or shutter mode. This lets the remote communicate directly. Next, hold the remote's pairing button or open the camera's remote app on your phone, watch the status light or on-screen prompt. Once you see the camera listed, select it. Make sure you're within 10 m and there are no heavy obstructions, because range affects signal reliability. Now configure how you'll capture images and why those settings matter. Set the camera to photo, burst, timer, or video depending on the shot. Use aperture priority for depth control or manual when you need exact exposure. Adjust shutter speed and ISO to prevent blur and noisy shots. Then lock focus or use back button focus so you don't refocus between presses. Once set, press the remote once to confirm the signal and check framing. This single test prevents wasted sequences. You're ready to execute. Press the remote to take the shot or half press if your remote supports focusing first. That gives a crisp image. For sequences, use burst or hold the button depending on your aim. If shots don't fire, first swap or recharge the remote battery, then repair the devices. If you notice lag, move closer, eliminate nearby wireless interference, or restart the camera and remote. These quick fixes resolve most connection hiccups, so you
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.